If you like to merge two or more videos into one video, you can do that for free in Adobe Express. You don't need any subscription for it, but you do need to sign up for a free account on the Adobe Express website. Now, on the home page, click the first tool set, and then click View All. Then click Video, and find the Merge Videos tool. Click it, and now you need to upload the first clip for the project. It should be short and up to 1 gigabyte. You can also select more than one clip when you upload, instead of uploading all of them one by one. Then you get into the tool, and it will continue uploading the video, but while it does that, you can upload more videos to merge together. Click the plus button next to the video you just uploaded, and you can upload one more video, and so on, until you have all the videos you want to merge together. I tried to upload more than 15 videos, and it didn't stop me, so I don't know if there's a limit for how many clips you can upload, but you can try uploading as many as you need. After it finishes uploading all the videos, you can switch places between them. So if you didn't upload them in the order you want, you can change it later. When you click on a specific clip, you get options to edit on the side, and you get a small menu for this specific video clip. On the small menu, you have the option to trim the video. If you click it, you get the full timeline of that video, and you can trim it from both sides, or you can write specific numbers for timing on the right side of the pop-up. The next option is to mute the sound of the video. If you want to edit it later and add music to the video in the Adobe Express regular editor, it's better to mute it here. You have the same option on the right side. Next is the option to fit the video to the screen. This option is gray if you are in the original ratio of the video. If you want to change from horizontal to vertical, you can click Fit, and it will give you the option to move the screen to the position that matches your clip's focus. But you can do that only for the whole clip. If you want to change something in the middle of the clip, you can click Duplicate and then trim both sides of the clip. Now you can change the position for the new clip, and that way you can change the focus position of the video in both clips of the same video you uploaded, without changing it for the whole clip at once. Lastly, you have the option to delete this clip. Unlike the clip maker, if you close this window, you will need to upload the videos again. Whenever it finishes uploading the videos and you finish editing them, you can click Download and you have it. If you click Continue in Editor, you will get to the Adobe Express Editor, and here you can add transitions between the clips if you want to do that. Click the plus between the clips and find Add Transition, then you can choose the different transitions on the left side. You can also trim or expand the clip if you trimmed it in the Merge tool. If you muted the sound, you can add sound now from the music library. Click Media, then Audio, and find the music or sound effect that works for this video. You can also add that to the existing sound. If you want to upload music, you can do that by clicking Upload, and you can edit in any other way the editor lets you. When you finish, at the top, you have the option to download it to your computer. If you uploaded the videos and then close the Merge tool, you can click My Stuff from the home page, and you will see it there. It will have the title Merge Video and the date of creation. If you want to change it so you can find it easily, you can change the name of the project by clicking the 3 dots and rename. You can also rename the project while you're there by clicking on the name of the project at the top left and changing the name. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.